Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Sondo, your music application. First of all, you need to open your app and tap here right top corner, it's a profile icon. Then you can see here you need to create your account, so I'm just going to tap continue with Google. You can create your account with Google, then agree your account. I just tap my account. It's take few time to create your account, so you can see here it's now loading. You perfectly create your account. So now what you need to do, you can see here music video. You can see here music video, AI dance. So I'm just going to tap the music video. So now you have to choose music. Simply tap the music, or you can upload your music. You can choose the trending. So you can see here this is my, you can try your song, or you can see here simple instrument, you can add instrument, and you can see here this one is randomly give you the prompt. I don't have any prompt here, or you can make it custom. You can lyrics. So if you tap here, if you tap lyrics, so you can see it's intro. There are big lyrics here. You can delete, you can polish it, you can refine this one and optimize result. You will get here the result is here. Once you're done, simply tap the accept, and this is simple, and this is custom. You can do it manually. You can choose style, pop, hip hop, tap. You can choose the artist, male or female, light beigers, and it takes 10 credit. So if you click here, so it's not possible to create your videos because it's, if you're a free user, you just get 1 or 2 videos free. And once you're done, you can choose the option like you can music video. So you can see here it's a subscription, and if everything is okay, and after that create your videos. But you can see little buzz, style, dance, video. So it's your videos I just created, so it's creating now. Actually this way you can create videos, and if you tap here you have 0 credit, so that's why only one song. New user, you can create only one song.